When you are sustained by nature, it opens your eyes. You see power and beauty in everyday things. It's in the life around us, in the elements and in the seasons. It's in the dawning of a new day and in everything that begins, lives and grows. It's this energy that stimulates us to get the very best from nature. From flavorful salad vegetables and refined soft fruit to comfort food and rich flavorings. We combine this energy with craftsmanship and competence, with devotion and with pride. We bring all that nature has to offer, the skills of our growers and the knowledge of our partners, together so everyone can enjoy the best and tastiest products. That is the quality of Van Natuur. That is our chain at its best.